Hello class 8th student, it's a part 2 chapter 8 science. Now we are going to read about the puberty. Puberty is the time in life when the body becomes biological capable of sexual reproduction. Means it is a time in the life of a organism or in a life of a person. In a life of a person when the body becomes biological capable of sexual reproduction. It is a process that usually happens between the age of 10 and 15. 10 and 15 for girls and 11 and 16 for boys. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. Means it is a stage which start from this biological capable of sexual reproduction. It means the sexual organs getting mature. They are start getting mature actually, and this stage is complete at which these reproductive organs completely mature. Okay. Means this age start when the sexual reproductive organ start to grow, and it complete at the age when these organs completely mature. The timing and speed of a child physical development varies from individual to individuals. Means a child can taken the different time. Different child can take a different time for their development at a physical level. Means some having physically mature before and some taken some time. As we see, some boys having beard in early stage while some having in the later stage. Okay, so it may be considered individual to individual. In the same manner, in the girls it may be start from the 10 and 15 up to 15, and in the boys same manner 11 to 16, 11 and 16. So puberty end, as I told you, at when the reproductive maturity reaches or the reproductive organs matured completely. When an adolescence reaches, the timing and speed of child physical development varies from individual to individual. It is largely determined by the genes inherited from the parents, and this development pattern is dependent on the genes which is inherited by the parent. As I am telling you in the previous chapter that nucleus having some genetic characters, and these genetic characters are passed on from the parent to the offspring. So in the same sense, we are talking here that these are determined, the individual difference is determined by the genes which are inherited by the parents. So there is no way to slow down or speed up the processes. Means if we think that this process is less in a particular person, so we do something for becoming this process fast. It can't be possible, and if it start earlier, then you can't stop this. These are natural processes and determined by some inherited characters. But every individual goes through this process to attain adulthood. But every individual means each and everyone goes through these processes to attain adulthood, to attain maturity. Let us learn about some of the changes that taken place during puberty. Means now we are going to read some changes which we see in the stage of puberty. So thank you class. We continue them in the next part.